Hey y'all, welcome back. I hope that you are doing well. I'm just gonna go over one of my products that we have in store. These are, well, that's the packaging, but these are our prayer ropes that we have. These are handmade, and these are good for everything. Protection in your home. You can wear them. You can put it in your car, your purse, wallet, pocket, wherever you want to put it. You can keep that. These come already prayed over. I pray over them, and I also have another person on my team that I trust to pray over these as well. And sometimes they help make them as well. But it's only two people, myself and that person. So you can get the rope closed. This is the closed option, and this is the open option. And this is how it comes. It comes sealed in a little package like this. They are available on the website right now. And also you can hang these over your door, like wherever there's high traffic, like your front door, over your bedroom doors. These are good. Just take a little tack and hang it, hang it like this over the door. Just for protection. And the 3 beads just represent the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Okay, that's what that is. So yeah, if y'all are interested in that, just check it out. Y'all have any more questions, just leave it below in the comments, and I will get back with you guys. And just thank you again to all of the subscribers. Thank you for watching the video, liking the video, and supporting the website. I appreciate all of it. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. And until next time, y'all stay blessed and highly favored.